Good evening, Keo.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's good to hear that you're fine. How your score?
Okay.
Okay, you check
say that, I
please.
know.
Okay, you check please.
1,999.
Wow, so many. Oh, wow, that's so many. That's a lot. Okay?
I really have in 2,000.
Wow. I'm 2,000 teachers. Okay, so for now, Teacher Anne will have to give you the real class. Okay, we are already in fact 5, just to reading 26 to 30. We're not yet done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will share it to you now. Where is it? Okay. Just be careful in answering this one. We only have one class today, Keo.
Yeah, because today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday, of course. Where am I? Okay, here. So I am here now. Okay, so we are here 26 to 35. Read the text below and choose the correct answer. Okay, for each questions, mark the correct letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Okay? So you will have this good thing that the questions are here and the answers are here. Oh, just there. Okay? So it's not that bad. Okay. But before that, I would like to introduce some vocabulary words like mild. You know the word mild?
Mild.
Mild. It's not. It's nangtang. Oh, it is?
What is nangtang?
Okay. Mild, it's adjective. It's not that hard. It's only mild. Not that strong, not that soft. It's only mild. Okay. Prevent. Do you know the word prevent? You know the word prevent?
What is prevent?
Okay, I will prevent you from making bad things. I will prevent you for not telling the truth. I will prevent you from harming other people. So I will stop you. Prevent means stop. Like I will prevent. It is better to prevention is better than cure. So you have to prevent yourself. You have to take vitamins. You will have to do a lot done to have a cure. Okay, then to be sick. Okay, you have to prevent. Okay, another skincare. You know what are skincare?
What is skincare?
Skincare is everything about your skin. It's everything about your skin. That's skincare. Okay? How about the hair care? Your hair care. What is that?
I don't know.
Your hair care. Everything about your hair. Anything that includes your hair, that's your hair care. Okay, so like conditioner, like hair spa, hair conditioner, that's about, it's all about hair care. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
It just hair care.
Okay, hair care. So example, Kayo has a dandruff. You know what is dandruff? It's very itchy. Doing like that, it's very itchy. It's some kind of a white in your head. It's dandruff. If you are putting what's that? If you put shampoo and your hair don't like the shampoo, so you got dandruff. It's color white. Okay, that's hair care. Okay, that is a dandruff. Okay, if you have dandruff, of course, you need hair care. You need hair spa. Hair spa is good for your hair. Okay, that's hair care. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yay, good job. Okay, now let's move to your answer test. Please don't make it too fast as what teacher Ann told you. Just answer it slowly. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Don't make it too fast, Keo. Just answer it slowly. Kana panglakan eh. Kana para wa kani. Sani na anak. Ako anak. Kasat ako cellphone. Text downstairs ka. Bigat na sa akin. Mapato.
I just spent my first jackpot. Okay.
Okay, you're done. So we have here 26. Okay. Honey is a sweet liquid blanked by bees. It blank of the water and sugar. It consists or contains. What do you think?
I think it's contained.
Contains. Okay, let's see your answer. Oh, teacher Ann told you it's letter D, consist. 27. Okay. Bees may travel as blank far as 75,000 kilometers and visit over 2 million flowers to produce just half a kilo of the honey. The color and flavor of the honey depend blank the type of flower visited. 28, it depends on letter D. It depends on 28. What's the answer? With the type of flower visited, on the type of flower visited, or to the type of flower visited. Your answer is with, right?
Okay, I choose. The answer is 2.
Okay, let's see. So the color and the flavor of honey depend to the type of flower visited. Okay, let's see. It's on the flower visited. In blank, there are more than 300 blank of honey. In case, in order, in fact, in place, there are more than 300. What's the number? 300 varieties, collection, sets, different sets of honey. There are different varieties of honey. So in blank, what's that? In blank, in case, in order, in fact, or in place. In place is wrong. In place is not, it's not part. Okay. You will have to pick A, B, and C on in order. Do you think it's on order or in fact? What do you think is the answer?
I think is in fact.
It is.
In fact.
I think it's.
Okay. I don't choose in cases.
It's in fact. Okay. Yeah, very good. It's in fact. There are how many? There are. Very good. There are varieties. More than 300 varieties of honey. Varieties means different different kinds of honey. Varieties means different kinds of honey. Okay. So you've got 1, 2, 3. 3 points here. Oh, later na. Later you will add. We're not yet done. Okay, go. Answer. Ako. Si daddy mo. Enggak, that's okay. Tawagin ka. Tawagin ka. Ako na po.
Okay.
31. In ancient dates, seasons, times, or years. You pick another. I want to answer for each. At least you have correct. Okay. Teacher Ann is giving you favor for that. Teacher. What do you think, teacher?
Okay. One more is
What is the other answer of KO? In ancient seasons, times, years, dates. Okay, your answer is A and D. Are you sure with that?
not.
No, teacher. What is your correct?
I think I will erase it and then I choose time.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's up to you.
I think it's my correct one of that.
Okay. So, one here in ancient. What's the answer? In ancient time. Okay. In ancient time, honey was of great blank to the ancient Egyptian. Was of a great distant, rare, small, slim to the ancient Egyptian who used it as a payment. Honey was of great blank. Number 30. Oh no, sorry. Number 32. Honey, okay. In ancient time, honey was the main sweet food as sugar was very distant, rare, small, or slim. Okay. What do you think? You pick another. Oh, you pick another. What's your answer for this?
Another?
Yeah, another is rare. Is that your answer, rare?
Yes.
Okay, rare. And then, okay, honey was of great, rare. Okay, was very rare. Okay, very good. Honey was of great blank to the ancient Egyptians. Cost, price, value, or charge to the Egyptians who used it as a payment. Okay, what is your other answer? Cost, price, value, charge. What do you think is the answer? Go, go, Keo, go, Keo, go. Go, Keo, go, Keo, go. What do you think, Keo?
I think the other is value.
The value. Okay, let's go here. Okay, it's letter C. It's value. Okay. Wow, very good. Okay, next one, 34. 34.
I think a lot that I knew the answer.
Wow, 34. Today, honey is produced and eaten in blank part of the world. Some part of the world, all part of the world, most part of the world, or every part of the world. What do you think?
Every part.
Okay. What do you think is the answer? Each
I think
letter.
some country was not used to it. Then I think it's some and O. Some and O is my last answer.
Okay. The answer is Every. Oh, you got wrong. You told me that, teacher, it's every, but you did not pick it. Why? 35. Okay. However, honey, it is not just a food. It blank be taken for sore throats and is used in many skin and hair care products. Again, however, honey is not just a food. It blank be taken for sore throats and is used in many skin and hair products. It is? It can. Very good. You're correct. Yay! It can be taken for sore throats and it's used as many skin and hair care products. Okay, you've got one, two, three. Okay, three correct answer. You've got three correct answer. Very good. Yay! Good job, Kayo boy. Three correct answer. Yay! Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good job. Okay. Now, Keo, so we're having here, okay, so how many scores? One, two, three, four. Okay, you've got four. Four plus three, you've got 7 points. Kindly write down there 7 points. Okay. For next time here, we have to go to, wait, teacher Anne. At 5, test 3. Okay, here. Okay, so let's walk here. Okay, where is it? Okay, so I will share you now the PET 5 test 3. Okay, you've got 7 points. Did you write it?
Yes.
Okay, very good, my dear Ko. Okay, your mom told me that your teacher, I'm not sure about the exact thing, but your teacher is very, most of the teachers said that you are very good now. I don't know why. Because you become very responsible. You keep on listening the class like that. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, you're not roaming around like that? Wow, that's a good news, Kayo. Now, Kayo, you have to answer this, okay? Please think properly, okay?
But
Please
teacher, may I
think,
go out?
okay? So we have here, photocopies have come down in price. Black and white only. Photocopies have come down in price. Black and white only. Black and white color only. Okay. So come down in price. Okay. Black and white only. Color copies no change. Okay. Again, photocopies have come down in price. Black and white only. So the price, okay, the lower price is for black and white, but the color, no change of the price. Some photocopies are now cheaper than they were. There are changes to the prices of all the photocopies. No, there is no longer any color photocopy in here. Okay, what do you think? What's the correct answer, A or C? A or C? Letter? Letter? A. Okay, very good. Now, to Sally from Yvonne. Gina told me that Dave is doing a concert this Friday. She may be able to get tickets, so let her know if you want to go. If Sally wants to go on the concert, she should contact Gina, Dave, or Yvonne. La, very good. Yes. Okay, here. Now, Kayo, for 3, 4, and 5. Ate.
Teacher,
Yes?
today we learn early. So what time does we finish?
Okay, we only have, wait. We only have 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left, okay?
What time does we finish?
8:45, but we started early. So that's why we have to finish early. It's already 8:26 here in the Philippines. So probably we'll end
7:26.
at, yeah, okay, 7:26. So we have to end up at, okay, wait here. So sorry. So we have to end up at 7:36. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we have here number 3. College office. Student identify cards will be available for collection from 14th of January. Okay, student identify cards will be available for collection this January. Okay, first, student identify cards are unavailable after January 14. The earliest students can pick up their identify cards is 14 and January. Or letter C, students should bring in their identity cards on 14th of January. Okay, let's see. Okay, the answer is letter B. Okay, number 4. The riding school. Okay.
Teacher.
Look at this one. Letter number 4. The riding school rank. Nobody from Jane's group has booked for the midday class. For this week only, she will have to ride at 2 o'clock instead. Letter A. Jane should join a different riding class. Letter B. Jane must change groups because riding classes will no longer take place. Or Jane would be only rider at 12 today, so she should come later. Letter C, very good. Number 5, warning to motorists. Repairs to bridge start on 30/11/06. Displays likely for 4 weeks. The bridge cannot be used until the end of November. The bridge repairs may make your journey longer from the end of November, or repair work on this bridge will finish in November. Letter B. So you got 3 points. Okay, go Keo. 3 points, please.
Okay, I will write 3.
Okay, 3 points. Okay, so here tomorrow we're going to continue about 6, 7, and 10. Okay, we're going to continue on 6, 7, and 10. Okay, so you will have this about 6, 7, and 10 on next week. Julian, can I have the bulletin? 6, 7, and 10 here. There's bulletin. Okay, so we have here 6, 7, and 10. We're going to discuss tomorrow about the radio program they could enjoy listening to this week. Okay, so we have here 6 persons: Roberta and Alice, Paul, Steven, Sven, Al, Kim, and Yanis. We're going to discover tomorrow about the 5 people. Okay. So, pet, 5, that's 3. Okay. So now, Keo, do you have questions, Keo, so far?
No.
Do you have
I don't
questions?
have any questions.
Okay, what are your scores? Give me your scores.
Score is 2,111.
Okay, 2,111. 2011, sorry. Okay, for now, what happened to your head? Okay, so for now, teacher will say goodbye and I will see you tomorrow, okay?
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, Keo. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Yeah, of course.